Hey guys, I got some packages today. Um, oh, cool! There's like a stamp on the back of it, and it says "I am fragile." Trina, look at the stamp on the back of it. It has like a mummy on it, and it's like "I'm fragile," and it's a mummy. Hmm. So yeah. I wonder what this could be. I might have to go because I'm gonna take a quick shower. Oh, well, I'm not gonna probably be out here for long. Yeah, you could tell this is uncirculated. Yep. 1958 penny in mint condition. You could tell that's uncirculated. How shiny it is, you could tell this never seen the light of day in public. So, yeah, that's pretty cool. My sister went and took a shower. Huh. Oh, one of my Buffalo nickels came in today. Well, actually, my I think this is from that one guy where it came in a little late. You know, 1937 Denver, and this is my 1955 Denver nickel. Oh, this is from. Oh, this is from a Rachel Jones. Ben Aquila Center. Aqua Center. Yeah, I finally got one of my Buffalo nickels in. So that's cool. A Wheatback, a 1941 no mint mark. Cool to have that in my collection. We don't fucker. They call me Cuban Pete. I'm the king of the mambo suite. And I go chick chicka boom, chick chicka boom, chick chicka boom. In Havana, see, senorita, you're a whore. Chichipabute is very nice. So full of spice. Oh, okay, okay. 1993 Denver and a 1965 dime. No mint mark. A Denver 1995. Or 93, sorry. So that's very cool to have that in my set. Morgan S. Morgan and Morgan. For the people. I even made a coin wish list on Amazon. Damn. Uh-oh. Alright. My 1969 Denver dime. I am so glad to have that in my collection now. So, yeah. Still missing that one package that hasn't come in yet. Still holding off on everything. Love you guys very much, and remember to like and subscribe. Thank you guys very, very much.